Is decided, guys.
Good afternoon, friends. My name is Satyam Kumar, and today I am presenting a PPT. And the course name is Measurement and Cost Estimation for Small Buildings. Next slide. So the main points are which I cover in this presentation is first one is setting up an Excel spreadsheet for construction measurement and costing. Second one is measurement and quantification of the construction elements. Third is abstracting quantities. Fourth one is calculation of cost. Next one is preparation of schedule of quantities, and last one is conclusion. So next slide. So the introduction. This session will go over how to set up Excel spreadsheet that are made for construction projects, as well as how to quantity construction parts, figure price, sum up quantities, and make the schedule of quantities SOQ. By the time this presentation is over, you will able to effectively manage and estimate project cost usually in Excel. So next slide. So firstly, in the setting up a spreadsheet in Excel. So in spreadsheet SOQ, schedule of quantities, and the description is like records generally required amount for the undertaking. Next one is TDS, tender data sheet, containing detailed project specification and measurements. Third one is abstract, summarize the quantities and measurement. Bar schedule, details reinforcement bar specification. Rate build up, breakdown cost, include labor, material, and overhead. Next slide. So next topic is measurement and quantification. So ground clearance. The ground clearance is measured in 1 meter away from the center line of the parameter wall. Next one. So and the next one is excavation for footing. So earthwork involves specific measurement for the excavation of the foundation, as you shown in this figure. So foundation, ground, slabs, layout the building. Group C. Next one. So concrete work, fermentation estimation to keep up with the primary respectability. Example dimensions: length is equal to 11.8 meters, width is equal to 5.8 meters. Ensuring accurate measurement is crucial for the strength and durability of the structure. Moreover, as we see, the concrete footing is 1 meter and the foundation wall height, that's all. So next. The framework measurements. Proper framework is essential to shape and support the concrete until it's set, because if we do not give the proper time to concrete for settlement, it will impact bad. So framework is column footing in we measure in meters square. And next one. Abstracting quantities. So abstract summarizing quantities help in easy analyzing and reporting, aiding in accurate cost estimation. So earthwork, then ground clearance, first 1 meter length from the center line, and excavation and treading and footing excavation. Next one is excavation slabs, disposal, and backfilling. As you see in the ground clearance 1 meter is a unit meter square, quantity 99.44. Next one. So the calculation of cost. Here the material cost and based on unit rate for materials. So labor cost, plant cost, overhead and profits, total cost calculation, wages and all. So labor cost calculation for 4 laborers working 10 hours each at 25 hours, and plant cost excavation for 1 day at 35 per hours. Overhead and profit typically calculate at 10%. Total cost calculation, material plus labor plus plants plus overhead and profits, and the wastage is 5% of the material. Total costs are derived from the adding materials, labor, plants cost and overhead and profits, ensuring comprehensive budgeting. Next one. This is the spreadsheet, like substructure, unit rate and the labor hours. Wastage is 5%, as I already told you. Like labor is 25 per hour dollar, and plant is 35 per hour dollar. So it's all the like earthwork and 4 labor use 10 hours. So this is the calculation shown in the spreadsheet. Next one. Prepare SOQ. So description: earthwork. Contractor has to be clear the ground from 1 meter away from the grid by removing 150 mm top layer from the existing ground surface, not limited to remove trees, rounds, drives and other disturbance as necessary. And next one is ground clearance, 1 meter length from the center line. And next one is excavation for slabs to be carried out by the contractor manually or by using machines. Excavation depth less than 0.5 meter, including adding protection and shoring as necessary. So last one is the conclusion. In the conclusion, techniques or process covered in the presentation are fundamental to success. Construction management, accurate measurement through cost estimation and well-prepared documentation like the SOQ are essential for maintaining project timeline and budget. Can you go back to backward? So as in this SOQ sheet, we need to prepare this one, and like the unit is meter square and the quantity is 99.44 and the rate is 14.08 and the amount is 1400.12. So thank you for your attention. Yes.
Okay, what is TDS? Your friend is asking.
What?
Okay, after what is TDS?
Time document square.
Time.
Dimension. Dimension. Sorry. Time dimension square.
Why are you using the TDS sheet? What is the purpose? What is the purpose of the TDS sheet?
For measurement of small buildings.
Okay, small building and the elements.
And the element circle.
What's your Hey. Money. What is this? Okay, make it silent.
Yes, sir. I forget, sir.
Forget?
Okay.
Shani,
Thank you.
wait. How are we going to build up the rate? What is the procedure?
Length into breadth.
That's the quantification. I'm asking to prepare how we build up the rates.
How we-
Rate build up procedure. What are the components?
Material, labor, and overhead profit.
What else?
Material, labor, overhead profit, and
Plant.
plant. That's all.
What is abstract sheet?
Which abstract sheet is measurement of summarize the spreadsheet.
Okay, summarization of the quantity.
Quantity mistake.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Who is next?